RNZ News at 1 o'clock. Now me, I'm Peter McElwain. The European Court of Justice has ruled that Britain can cancel Brexit without the consent of the other EU member states. Judges say a country is free to change its mind until the withdrawal. Robin Tundas-Craig has made it her life's mission to know about all things water, especially how water intersects with law, but also the relationship between climate change and water, water quality and water allocation law, and marine protected areas. She is a professor of law at the University of Utah and is in New Zealand undertaking a University for Otago Research Fellowship. But now from the World Feature, it takes us inside a radio program in Argentina, helping people with... For tuning to Reach Beyond Australia. This program is heard on this frequency each Monday at 7 p.m. Tibet time on 15575 kilohertz in the 19-metre band. Until next time, goodbye and thanks for listening. This is Reach Beyond Australia, life-changing radio.